The wonderful Oracle documentation. As I said before, Oracle's own documentation is absolutely outstanding. One thing I've noticed at the Oracle Technology Network user forums is that there's quite a few snarky individuals. Please don't be one of those people. When you have somebody ask an honest question, and yes, it's perhaps a question that's been asked 1,000 times before, but you'll see a sea of responses not addressing the user's question, but basically berating the person, saying, "Why haven't you consulted the documentation?" Again, that's really ugly behavior in my humble opinion, and it demeans the Oracle DBA. Let's be better than that. The Oracle documentation that I'm going to take you to in just a moment, you'll notice that you can download multiple formats of the files. Oracle doesn't charge for them. In fact, some say, myself included, that the Oracle documentation is oftentimes better than trade books that you can find in a brick and mortar or online bookstore. And also we can target our search, because I use Oracle to search all the time through their documentation. You can target in particular ways.